Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel and to day 3 of our 5-day cruise on the Carnival Firenze. In this segment, we've arrived at our first port of call, Cabo San Lucas. Known for its stunning natural beauty, Cabo is one of those destinations you go for pristine beaches and sparkling blue waters of the Pacific Ocean. And when we arrived, it was an absolutely beautiful day. From getting off the ship to a glass factory to a really good restaurant find, we'll show it all. Let's go! Cabo San Lucas is a premier cruise port on the southern tip of Mexico's Baja California Peninsula. It's where the Pacific Ocean meets the Sea of Cortez. It's known for its stunning natural beauty and abundant marine life. It's a favorite stop for many cruise lines. When we arrived into port, it was a beautiful sunny day with boats and yachts everywhere. Cabo is a tender port, which means cruise ships anchor offshore and passengers are ferried to the marina via these smaller boats.
Yeah, the jacket was needed.
Yeah. One thing you'll immediately be met with once you get to the dock is the amount of people trying to sell you on excursions in that area. It's loud and it can feel really chaotic. So I suggest you try to have a plan before you get to this point. Thankfully, Rebekah and I did. We had purchased an excursion through Carnival, the top 10 things to see in Cabo.
Watch your step at all times.
Thank you. We jumped on our large and comfy bus and began the tour where our tour guide highlighted special landmarks throughout the city. It was a lot of information that included history and cultural significance. Very interesting stuff. One memorable stop was at a glass-making factory. If you've been to this place, comment below because this was pretty impressive.
Rule number 1 is they cannot work by themselves. They always need to work in couples because this labor is very risky.
It's a factory that partners with businesses in the area and takes any and all broken glass and then transforms it into these beautiful works of art. This was actually really cool to see them create something so amazing out of broken glass. These guys were really good at it too. We were shown a room that was built almost entirely out of recycled glass that these workers had handmade, taking them years to complete.
Today we're in Cabo San Lucas and we took an excursion to do the top 10 best things in Cabo. And our first stop was a glass blowing factory. We had a little tour and demonstration and we're just really enjoying this artistry.
We got to walk through their store and view just the widest collection of glass decor that you could buy. Really impressive stuff. Another memorable stop was high on top of a cliff that overlooked the entire coastline of Cabo. What a picture-perfect setting, where Rebekah and I got to stretch our legs and relax just for a little while. So beautiful. Our last stop on this tour was to a plaza at a nearby town called San Jose. This picturesque town is different from Cabo San Lucas in that it is more tranquil and authentic, much more chill of a vibe. The town is known for its fantastic food, from farm-to-table dining experiences all the way to authentic street tacos. We had only about 20 minutes before our bus would be headed back to port, so we quickly found a nearby restaurant hoping it would be both fast and delicious. This place did not disappoint. It was about a 3-minute walk from the plaza, and it's called El Aguamala Cevicheria. Hola! Found ourselves a nice little beautiful restaurant, huh? It's a beautiful day. We're gonna have some ceviche, try a little drink, maybe grab a couple tacos. We only have a few more minutes before we have to get back on our tour bus so we can get back to the port on time. So we're gonna see if we can do this quickly. We had fresh seafood ceviche, as well as some tacos and a couple delicious margaritas. Taco time. Can't go wrong. And just like that, we're heading back to our bus. I mean, we ate that lunch so fast, but it was so good. We had ceviche, we had some tacos, we had some really nice dips and sauces that came along with everything. That was a nice experience. Wish we had a little bit more time, but we don't. We've got to get back to the ship. And to do that, we've got to get on our bus. So we're heading back there now. We saw and did a lot in just a few hours. And much like our overall experience on the Firenze, we really want to come back to see even more. What a beautiful place. Just like that, it was time to head back to the ship. So through that busy port and back onto our tender boat we went. All right, just like that, it's over. Time to get back on the ship. Once back on board, we went up to Lido to see the beautiful sunset as we got ready to set sail. Hey, that's it for this video. If you've ever been to Cabo on a cruise, what were some of your most memorable experiences while there? If you have a question about our time, please reach out and send us a comment below. We've got one more full day at sea, and then our last stop is to Ensenada. Click on the next video to check those out. Happy cruising, friends.